Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Tribotex, make your engine last longer. Billy Bars, we're truck people. OptiCoat, for ultimate protection and reflection. And by Dragonfire Tools, industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage.
When you go to dragonfiretools.com, you're going to find all kinds of different workbench models to suit your needs and your space. Lou, here's one of your 7-foot models. Walk us through this one.
So this is our 7-foot Midnight Pro Series 12-drawer workbench. And as you can see, we have an open door cabinet on either end with a fully adjustable shelf that you can make whatever height you want.
And how much weight is that shelf going to hold?
It'll hold up to 150 pounds on that shelf. As far as construction goes, we also have a 14-gauge 304 stainless steel top on here, 16-gauge galvanized steel drawer bodies, 14-gauge powder-coated drawer fronts, and a fully 14-gauge tubular steel welded frame.
How important was quality when you set out to design your workbenches?
Well, we knew that not only homeowners, but professionals were going to be using these. So being able to use these on a day in and day out basis, that's how they were designed with that in mind.
What are some of the things the pros love about Dragonfire Tools workbenches?
Well, for one, the affordability. Number two, as you mentioned, the quality. This is something that's going to stand the test of time, whether you're a professional in a shop or a dealership or an auto body shop, or whether you're a homeowner.
And a feature that the pros like, I know as well, is the locking features. And folks at home too, you've got your tools out in your garage. Someone can get in there and take them. So talk about the locks and how tough they are.
The locks on this workbench, you can lock each individual bay. So a lot of toolboxes out there, you have one lock, which means the entire thing's locked. So a lot of professionals, they want to be able to keep their specialty tools locked up while still having access to their regular daily tools. And so we've allowed for that by having individual locks for each bay and each cabinet.
I talked about variety of workbenches you have on the website. What if I can't decide?
All you need to do is give us a call and we'll be able to work with you based upon the application that you're going to be using the workbench in. Whether you're a diesel mechanic or an auto body detailer, we're going to be able to fit based upon the type of tooling that you're going to be putting in the workbench.
Well, if you're a hobbyist or you're a pro, dragonfiretools.com has the workbench that's going to suit your needs. Find them at dragonfiretools.com, and there is a discount code for Motorhead Garage viewers. Type in Motorhead to get free shipping and a discount. All right, look what I have here. This stuff's as good as gold. The price of gasoline, as you know, keeps going up and up and up, and fuel efficiency, Pasha, is more important than ever. How can Tribotex help me in the fuel efficiency department?
With one simple application, you can save few percent over 40,000 miles and more. But in some other applications, like when your engine are mostly idle, you can save in tens of the percents. Even 20% we've seen at max at low loaded generations like a genset. You know, when you have a 10 kilowatt generator lighting up few LED lights, most of it is running just overcoming its own friction. You eliminate friction, you eliminate wasteful losses of fuel.
I see police departments, a lot of cars, they're idling a lot, emergency vehicles and that sort of thing.
Or just people sitting in traffic.
Makes a lot of sense on your daily commute. You can save a lot of gas that way. Heat also becomes the enemy of every engine. How does Tribotex dissipate heat?
Yeah, when you tow it, or again, transmission generate heat mostly from friction. Again, less friction, more longevity in transmission, and more energy to tow the cargo.
Tribotex is the real deal. You can check out all the technology at tribotex.com. You get some for yourself as well. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Let's say we do it again next week, same time, same sandbox. And if you have a product you want to see featured on the show, email Jeff at masterstv.com. We'll get you here in our Masters Entertainment Group studios. From our entire crew here at the studio, so long. We'll see you next time.